Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about tissues. So what is a tissue? A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. It is the aggregation of cells performing a particular or specific function. This is a picture of animal tissue and plant tissue. Okay, let's see. This is the plant. This is animals, cute animals. The plant tissue is very different from the animal tissue. Why? Why is that? Let's discuss. Plants are autotrophic. They prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So they don't move from place to place in search of food or any other purpose. So they don't need much energy for the life processes. But in the other hand, we animal are heterotrophic. We don't make their own food. We can't make our own food. So we move from place to place in search of food, for mating, etc. So we need a lot of energy for the life processes. We need more energy in comparison to plant. So our tissues are very living in nature. They contain the protoplasm. Most of the animal tissues are living. But in case of plant, because they don't need much energy, so the plant tissues are mostly supportive. So most of the plant tissues are dead in nature. They don't contain the protoplasm. Okay. So now you can see here the plant tissue and animal tissue. This is the stomach part of the animal tissue. Here you can see smooth muscle tissue, loose connective tissue, nervous tissue, blood, columnar epithelium. In plant, xylem, phloem, ground tissue, dermal tissue. These are the different types of tissues. We will study in the next video about tissues, their type, shape and the function. Now, what is the relationship between tissue, organ system and organism? We already studied that tissue is the aggregation of cells. So, the hierarchy is cell, they make the tissue, and is the organ. Then organ make the organ system. Then the organ system constitute the whole organism. Okay. So this is the hierarchy of cell, tissue, organ system and organism. Example you can see. Some tissues make the organ like tongue, eye, ear, every organ of our body. Many organs acting together to perform a specific life process constitute an organ system. For example, digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, etc. Organ system together constitute the organism. Example, we, plant, animal, every animal and plant. So now let's discuss what is the importance of tissue. Why is tissue so important? Formation of tissues has brought about a division of labor in multicellular organism. Okay, let's discuss this point. So if there is one cell in our body, the whole workload will be on that one cell. Due to the division of labor, there are many types of cells and tissues. So the functions are divided between the tissues. It is easier to function. Now, workload of individual cell has decreased. We have already discussed that. As a result of improved organization, higher efficiency, multicellular organisms have higher survival rate. This is all about tissue. In the next video, we will talk about the types of tissues and in specific the plant tissue and animal tissue.